submit the billing documents to the Regional Secretariat online, click Uploading of VP documents in the navigation panel. Schools are required to upload the following documents: STI-1 or IMI-1, Schedule of tuition and other school fees, official receipt for senior high school payments. Click Upload. Choose File and attach the document. The maximum file size should be 2 MB. Click Upload to submit or click Cancel to dismiss the action. Documents should be in PDF format and can be uploaded once only. If the document has already been submitted in the previous billing, check the box Submitted in the previous billing and click Confirm. On the official receipt, for voucher program payments, if your school did not participate in the previous school year, check the box Not Applicable and click Confirm.